Boneless chicken is marinated in salt and pepper, chili paste, light and dark soya sauce, vinegar, julienne of, julienne of garlic and ginger, and sliced chilies. This is left to marinate overnight if possible to get the best flavor. The next day, green peppers, shallots, and coriander are added to the chicken. A batter is prepared by mixing cornstarch and all purpose flour together with baking powder and salt with water. The marinated chicken, green peppers, onion, and coriander is dropped into the batter and then into the hot oil to allow the chicken to cook before removing and draining on kitchen towels. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. It's almost like chili chicken and Pakoras had a baby, and this is the result. I love chili chicken. I've taken all of those great flavors and packed it into the crunchiness of a pakora. You're gonna love this recipe. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. Let's start with 1 pound of boneless chicken. I'm using chicken thigh as it's really succulent, but you could use chicken breast if you preferred. I'm going to add salt and pepper to taste. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of red chili paste. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce, 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup each julienne of garlic, julienne of ginger, and I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of thinly sliced Thai green chilies. These chilies are quite spicy. You can use regular chilies if you prefer. You can also add more or less chili as you like. Marinate this overnight for best results. The next day, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of light soya sauce, and I'm going to throw in 1/2 cup of thinly sliced green peppers, 1/2 cup of sliced shallots, and 1/2 cup of finely chopped coriander. To make the batter, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of cornstarch, 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to trickle in some water slowly, whisking it just to make a batter that is of medium consistency. Using a spoon, I'm going to scoop up a piece of chicken and I'm going to try to get some of that pepper, shallots, and green chili, julienne of ginger and garlic, and coriander, and drop it in the hot oil. Of course, you're not going to get everything together, but the idea is to make sure that the pakora has chicken but also some of the other ingredients. Cook each batch for 8 to 10 minutes until it's nice and golden brown, and once it's cooked, remove it and place it on a kitchen towel. Garnish and enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, that you've rung the bell. I really hope to hit 100,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Hope that you can help me get there. If you love my videos, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below. As you know, I love hearing from you. Also, make sure to share them with your family and friends. And follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.